Hi, I'm part of the development team behind the Smart Exhibits project. The aim of our project is to develop an innovative digital exhibit system designed to enhance guided learning, accessibility, and engagement across campus. The experience begins the moment a visitor approaches an exhibit. Each exhibit features a unique QR code generated by our platform. A simple scan brings visitors directly to an interactive page tailored to that specific exhibit. No apps, no downloads, just instant access. Once the page loads, visitors are greeted with a clean interface that displays the exhibit's image and accompanying information. The highlight of this system is its text-to-speech capability. As the narration plays, the text is automatically highlighted in yellow, word by word, allowing visitors to follow along effortlessly. This is designed with accessibility in mind, supporting visual learners, elderly visitors, and anyone who benefits from audio guidance. Visitors remain fully in control of their experience. They can pause the narration, skip forward, move backward, or replay any portion of the text. Whether someone wants a quick overview or a slow, detailed walkthrough, the system adapts seamlessly. Behind the scenes, administrators have access to a powerful and intuitive dashboard. Here, they can monitor key insights about how exhibits are being used. The dashboard presents analytics such as the number of visitors who registered, the total scans recorded, which exhibit has received the most engagement, and even which languages are most commonly selected in audio playback. Information is displayed through number cards, charts, and graphs, giving admins clear visibility at a glance. User management is built directly into the system. Through a paginated table, admins can easily navigate large number of users, view their details, and manage accounts efficiently. This ensures the platform stays organized and secure even as the number of visitors grows. Admins can also manage the exhibits themselves. They can create new exhibits, upload photos, write descriptions, update content, and instantly generate QR codes. Any change made is reflected immediately in the visitor's experience. To further streamline the workflow, we've included an AI-powered assistant. Admins can use AI to generate exhibit descriptions, rewrite text, summarize content, and save time crafting high-quality narratives for their exhibits. And finally, there's a dedicated review section. Visitors can leave feedback and admins can view, filter, and analyze these reviews to continuously improve exhibit experiences. Together, these features create a unified system that elevates the way digital exhibits are presented, managed, and experienced.